Today we're gonna rank Dubai malls from must visit to skip. And of course, Dubai mall will be the first one and it's must visit. Decent, good mall is the outlet mall. If you wanna buy something on sale, you can go there. Rare visit, it's Dragon Mall. If you need to buy furniture for your short-term rental apartment, yes, go there. The rest, I would not go. One of, I'll say the most popular mall, it's Mall of the Emirates. It's good, decent mall, plus the luxury goods is there, so definitely you should go there. Dubai Marina Mall, to me it's like 50-50. I don't see the point going there. Dubai Hills Mall, this one is good. If you go to Dubai Hills Mall, you'll be able to buy whatever is needed for you. Then I'll keep it to the good mall. Nahil Mall. Nahil, it's something, I would say, to me I'm often there, but if you wanna really buy some clothes, I would not recommend to go there. And the Ibn Battuta Mall, I've been there maybe once, so I cannot even give my opinion about it, so I'll just